In the chilling silence of a 14th century village ravaged by the Black Death, fear grips the air as families barricade themselves inside their homes, desperate to avoid the invisible terror sweeping through the streets. As the cries of a grieving community echo against the cobblestone streets, the priest implores divine mercy, while a weary guard stands vigilant, knowing that the threat of the plague is ever present, lurking just beyond the shadows. Inside a small, suffocating chamber, the nurse fights against despair, caring for the sick as the distant toll of a bell signals yet another loss, while outside the grim procession continues reminding the living of the ever-looming specter of death. The bustling marketplace, now a haunting ghost town, serves as a silent witness to the devastation left in the wake of the plague, as a lone child clings to their fading memories, a stark reminder of happiness overshadowed by an endless sorrow. In the shadowy corners of the village, secrets and rumors unfurl amongst cloaked figures, while the herbalist, a keeper of ancient remedies, clings to the fragile hope of finding a cure amid the chaos that envelops her world. In a secluded grove untouched by despair, a young villager stumbles upon nature's hidden treasures, where the promise of cure comes alive in the form of luminous herbs, igniting hope in a heart burdened by grief. Inside a rustic barn, the young villager becomes an unlikely alchemist, creating potions that could change the fate of the village, while outside the murmurs of the crowd reflect the delicate balance between hope and doubt in the face of overwhelming loss. As the elder commands silence, all eyes turn to the young villager, whose unwavering resolve offers a glimmer of hope amidst despair, stirring a mix of skepticism and yearning for salvation within the hearts of the crowd. With bated breath, the villagers watch as the young villager prepares to administer the potion, while one desperate mother clings to hope, praying for the chance to save her ailing child from the grips of the plague. In a pivotal moment, the young villager offers a lifeline to the sick child, each heartbeat feeling monumental as the village watches in stillness, suspended between despair and the glimmer of newfound hope.